Okay, Momentum Theory Discord is finally open. Have a few different sections here. Going to go over each of them in this video. So first section, market scanner. This is where the indicator is going to send all its alerts to. So next update is going to have the option to send alerts straight into Discord. If you set the alert type to Discord alerts, it's going to send all the trade setups right into a Discord channel of your choice. So right now I have 4 different channels here: swing, day, session, and scalp. If you click on each one, it lets you know which time frame it's looking at and which pair it's scanning for. So in the case of the swing channel, any trade set up on a weekly bar on all the pairs are going to get sent here. Day channel is looking at trade setups on daily bars on all the pairs. Session is looking at H4 bar, H8 bar on USD pairs, yen pairs, indices, and metals. And finally, scalps are looking at H1 and H2 bar, US major pairs, NAS, and gold. Most important trade setup to learn is the trend retracement setup. This one lets me know that there's strong momentum in the market. And whenever that one's found, you get a stronger visual compared to the others. This is just for quick reference. Whenever you get a trend retracement setup, you get extended information sent to you. And basically this information is exactly what you see in the quick buy section. So you get momentum, setup, confirmation, and chart timeframes. Lets you know which ones are checked off and which ones have warnings. And if everything looks good, the border on the left turns yellow. And if there are some issues here, it turns gray. You also get the quick bias icon sent exactly as it gets triggered. And then you have the execution time frame, which time frame to execute this trade on. And it categorizes the signal into different categories. So the first category here is the session. So in this case, New York session, Asia session, and London session, and then which currency these belong to. So Aussie NZD belongs to NZD and Aussie. And finally, what type of instrument it is. So Forex, CFD, and index. So these are good to filter your watch list. In case you only trade Asia session, for example, and you don't want to know what New York or London pairs are doing, you can just go to the search bar, go to the channel that you're looking at. I'm looking at the swing channel here, and then I can just type Asia, and that filters out all the pairs to just Asia session pairs. So that's a good way to filter the watch list. So that's what the market scanner does. Next section is the no hype section. Announcements, this is pretty self-explanatory. It's just announcing some information to the group. Questions and answers, this is where you can ask me any questions related to the indicator, related to myself, give me suggestions, find bug issues, and just general support. I've already added lots of questions that most people ask me, the frequently asked questions. So things like, who are my trading mentors? How much money do I make? Those are personal questions. And about momentum theory, can it be used with other strategies? What are the white arrows? What's that Y channel stream? So I've already added a lot of these right into this. So you can just create a new post, categorize it, and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. Next section is the trading journal. This is where I put every single trade that I take, and I categorize them into all the different setups. So you can filter them to see all the different sort of setups that I have, which sessions I'm trading, and lets you know how many times I've taken a loss. So since I've opened this Discord, I've only taken 1 loss here, and which trades have videos connected to them. So I don't do videos for all my trades. So if there's a video, I'm going to tag it with this video icon, and then the star icon lets you know which ones are good examples of these setups. So right now, I think these 2 are good examples of the trend pullback and the trend breakout setups. And that's about it. So this is a good way to learn my setups. And if you click on any of them, I do add some information at the video. This one, I took a live one. And then I also add the link to the scanner. So if I find something that I like, I do add an icon there that I liked it. And if I take it, I'll put a check mark. Sometimes I forget to do this, but I try my best to do that. But basically, I'm not going to take any trade that's not found on the alerts. So that's what the trading journal is. So it's really good to go through and see the sort of trades I've taken. Took one just yesterday, just finished right now, this gold trade. Not the best example, so it's not starred, but it was a trade that I took. So that's why it's in the trading journal. Next section is the trading desk. Trades right now, there's nobody in here. It's still private. I'm gonna publicize this right after I finish this video. But trades is basically exactly the same as Trading Journal, but basically everybody in the community can put your trades in, categorize them. You don't need to trade momentum theory. You can trade other stuff as well. I always love to see other people's trades, how they view the charts. That really helps me kind of hone in on the best alerts for the scanner. So I would recommend that you just post any trades that you take, and if I can find a mechanical pattern to it, that'll really help me with fine tuning these alerts. And the ones that I like, that I feel are perfect momentum theory setups, I'm going to star myself, and only I can put that in. So if you're looking to learn setups, and there's a bunch of setups here that are not exactly momentum theory, I'm going to star the ones that I feel are good examples. Trading discussion. This is any trading topics that you want to talk about more in depth. So I've already added a few here. Fixed R or variable R. Which ones do traders prefer? And asking for good podcast recommendations. So that's where you can just discuss any specific topics. And then you have your traders chat and casual chat. Nobody's in here yet. Still lonely in here, but hopefully people will start coming in soon. So traders chat is if sessions in progress, you can just type what you're looking at. I'm not a social trader. I don't like to trade in with other people, so I probably won't be active when my session's in progress. But definitely after my session or before, I'll definitely have a look and answer anything there or contribute to that discussion. Casual chat, anything that's not trading related, or even if it is trading related, and you just want to put it in here, just go ahead. Right. So those are the different sections here, and that's about it. I know lots of people have been asking me for a Discord. Um, Never found a real use for it, but now that I've added the Discord alerts, now I definitely have a use for having a Discord. So love having this market scanner here. Love having my trading journal here, and hopefully other people will find this valuable as well. Right. So as soon as this video is done, I'm going to publicize it, and that's it. Hope to see you here.